Hell yeah.
What's going on, everybody? Cuts by Reggie back with another video today. Today we are going to do a wave cut on one of my clients. I've been cutting his hair for a little while, but as you can see, he let it wolf out for a little bit, so we got to take him back down. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share, all the good stuff. We just combing through the hair, getting everything off the skin, everything to lay down the right way. And I'm gonna use my gold magic clips. If you've seen my review on these, you know how I feel about them. They are worth it, but really not worth it, but that's another story. But as you can see, I got a number one close, and we're just taking his waves back down. Usually his waves pop out actually a little bit stronger than this, but it's been a minute since he's got a good cut, so we're just bringing them down, trying to bring them back to life and get them waves popping back out. As you can see up here, what I'm doing, he has a cowlick up front where it kind of in the middle, in the front, leave it a little like almost nothing there. So I'm trying to make sure that I comb it and not take it lighter than what it already is in that front area. You want to make sure that you, even though I've been cutting his hair a while, you still want to be careful when you cutting someone's hair down and not taking it down too low. So we're gonna do a taper, and he like a bald taper. As you can see, I got my custom FXs, the B Clark edition. We're gonna do a bald taper, and it's not a low taper but also not a high taper. So I'm gonna put the bald line in, separating the sideburns from the actual fade. We just bald it in out there, and then we'll go into the fade. On this side, I got this all slowed, not slowed down, but in real time. I'm taking that 1.5 guard close, just taking out the bulk, just getting out the mess, getting the mess out the way, letting everything lay down as smooth as possible before I actually start fading. And the way that I fade, of course, it doesn't change. If you've been following my page, it doesn't change from a full head of hair doing an all-around bald fade to doing a taper. I still do the same thing, starting with the guard all the way closed, halfway, and then all the way open. Usually you don't want to place the full blade on the skin once you're doing a taper, but with it going so high and his vertical bar is a little bit further, closer to his eyebrow, I have more room to place the full blade down. We don't do C cups, so it's like a perfect combination of putting the blade down and actually just fading up. As you can see right here, we got the half guard. Again, doing the same situation, brush one, cut one. Every time that you cut up, down, if you cutting up, you brush down, make sure everything lay back down before you actually go back into it, whether you're going in with another blade, another guard. If you messing with the lever, you want to make sure everything is laid down before you going up into your next step. I just wanted to keep everything in real time, and as you see, we put the one guard on, same process, all the way closed, halfway, all the way open. This technique is not the only technique. When I say this, it's not that this is the way that you should do it, or it's the only way that works. It's just a process that works for me. As you can see, other barbers still put the hard lines in. That works. I never want to be the one that say another method doesn't get the job done. It's just different methods for different people. If this worked for you, try it out. If you think it'll work for you, try it out. And if it don't work, hey, it don't work. You get what I'm saying? But I like to just, I go close, halfway, all the way open, and then I'll come back and do my finishing touches. And I didn't put none of the beard work in here. I kind of wish I did, but you can see we kind of tapering the beard up into the bald taper a little bit. I kind of wish I would have put the beard styling in here as well, but maybe we'll do another video of just the beard work. And we'll switch it to the other side. I'll speed through this process, the same steps, bottoming out, starting with it closed, halfway, all the way open, going through the same process. As you can see, I am stretching that skin though. It's making sure that the canvas is straight, it's full, it's flat. It's giving you more room to actually play with the fade and get the fade look the way that you want it to look. And then again, same steps in the back. He has a longer neck. Sometimes it depends on short necks, long necks, which it sounds weird, but as you start cutting hair and you're in the barbershop, you'll notice that different people take different tapers. Like some tapers just look different on different people. And with him, I just like to stretch his, he actually like it as well, but I like to stretch his taper out a little bit further. And as you can see that crease where that dark hair, it's just a wave going down. As you can see me scooping into it, but you also want to make sure that you stretch that out. It's just skin, stretch it out to make sure that you getting the fade to look as clean as possible without leaving a darker spot down in there. And again, here we are just hitting the lineup with the Babyliss FXs. These are the custom concrete edition from B. Clark and Babyliss. I don't know how many of these they have left, so I don't want to tell you to go to the website to try to order them, but they had 10 of the black ones, 10 of green and black, 10 red and black. I was able to snatch me up a pair. Here we are going into the front lineup. Again, he does not do the C cups. So we just going to the edge of his eyebrow, going straight down, giving it that long look from the straight line up top down to where the C cups would be. And again, his hairline, like I said in the beginning, he has that spot up front where it doesn't look full. At least it's a little lighter than usual. So, and he don't use enhancement, so I'm just gonna tap at up it far enough to keep the line natural but still give it a crispy look. And as you can see, I'm gonna switch to my Gold FXs. The Gold FX blade is just a better blade to me. The graphite blade on these custom FXs are not bad. I don't know, I got these Gold FXs set just right, and they feeling like they're gonna give out on me soon. The switch is messing up on it, so I got to get that switch fixed, because I do not want to mess with the setting of this blade, like even moving the blade to another. I know it wouldn't matter with the way that the Babyliss are set up, but when something is set right, you don't want to mess with it too much. But we'll go to the other side, starting in the middle of his head and moving that line from the middle all the way to the other side, going into the vertical bar. And again, I wish I would have put more of the beard work in, but here's the finishing product of the cut. We hit it, get that line up right, hitting it with the razor. I do the dry razor just on the line. You just making sure that you're pulling the skin and getting everything stretched back, getting everything lined up correctly. Appreciate you for following the video. If you stay here this long, I appreciate you even more. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share, all the good stuff that comes along with YouTube. And we'll be back with another video very soon. Peace.